Want to use two apps at once without pressing any button? You can use a simple two-finger swipe to enter split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how to turn it on. Open setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Then tap multi-window. Now turn on the option swipe for split screen. Once it's on, try it out. As the example, we will do so in portrait mode. Open the first app and then swipe up from the bottom of the screen with two fingers. As you can see, this will launch split screen view. Select the second app. To open another app in second window, just swipe up again. So, given to the function, it's a quick way to multitask, great for browsing while watching, chatting while reading, or taking note while video calling. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.